we're down here today at Unity Farm in Somerset, near Breen Beach, and we just want to discuss a few things about buying a caravan down on Unity, what we got to offer at the minute. Okay, we've got a fantastic offer going. We're going to talk to you about guaranteed bookings, so we'll guarantee the money up front. If we don't let it, you still have the money off the price of the van, or you can put it in your account. Okay, and another thing we want to talk about is subletting and the scheme we're going to be doing for people subletting through the park. Okay, and another thing we're going to be talking about is three main things. Is the Willoughby offer we got going down on the park. Now Shane, talk to me about the Willoughby offer, please.
The Willoughby offer, guys. So Willoughby have done this just for our park, guys. Any brand new Willoughby on our showground, they're going to discount by £3,500.
So that you can either have the discount off the van, or you can have the money in your account towards 2026 site fees. That's good, isn't it?
It's a cracking deal. Thank you.
And that's all because you and Kevin arranged the survey for the owners, and they're just saying thank you, because the owners at Unity Beach of designing the caravan of the future for 2026. So like a lot of caravans in Haven when I worked there, they designed the Coastal Eclipse, they designed the Willoughby Bermuda, they designed quite a lot of vans. Now the guaranteed income is absolutely fantastic.
It's great. It's a really, really good offer for existing customers looking to part exchange and new customers coming in, guys. All right, basically what you need to do, you need to pop in and see us. We will give you an example of how many weeks you can book your holiday out to.
They can choose as well, can't they?
Yeah, you can choose as much as you like or as little as you like, and basically you come down, you pick out the weeks, we'll total up how much we believe you'll be able to make on those weeks, and we can advance you that. We can advance you those funds so you could use it towards a deposit on the finance. It's
that's a fantastic idea, isn't it?
Yeah, it's amazing.
So that, I think it's up to £8,000 or more.
It is. It's up to 8,000. Yeah.
So long as you want to come and buy now, because the further we get into the season, the letting weeks will come down. So now is the time to come and buy your first static holiday home in the UK off Unity Beach. Now the other thing we're doing is a sublet scheme. So if you wanted to go on sublet as well, you're more than welcome to. Now that's not guaranteed, but you can have as many weeks. You just pick what weeks you want, and the park is virtually fully booked for the season, and that'll help you towards the site fees next year. And if you go on the sublet scheme in a minute, what we'll do for you as well is we will, next year you can pay your site fees over 10 months. Yeah? Are we still recording all right? Yeah. Everything all right?
That's direct debit as well. So direct debit from January next year.
So over 10 months.
Over 10 months, which is fantastic.
Now you need to come sooner than later, because we're very, very limited at the minute on pitches. Now the pitches down here are virtually sold out. Now we'll always have statics, won't we, Shane? But
absolutely.
We won't always have pitches.
No.
So to avoid any disappointment or going on to a waiting list, come down as soon as you can, guys, and we'd appreciate you coming down.
Just to highlight that direct debit offer, guys, that is unbelievable. It's a fantastic offer. Previously, if you wanted to spread the cost, it would have been by a premium credit, and that was standing at around about 6.4%. But now it's direct debit, guys. There is
interest free, guys.
Yeah, it's interest free. It's a cracking deal, that one.
That is,
and it's from January. All right, at the minute you're looking at end of November, but no, January, guys. Now, all right.
And we're doing the same offer on our sister park, which is in East Yorkshire, called Skirlington Holiday Park. That's in Hornsea. Okay. So if you want any details on that, send us a comment, and then we can arrange for you to go up there and look around. Okay, or if you want to come down, ask for Shane. What's your number, Shane?
07813 967 436.
If you want to book a holiday, ring reception, they'll help you with that. If you want your touring caravan for the season on the park, ring reception, ask for Sarah, she'll sort that out. And if you want to come to the fun fair, you can go in the fun fair free of charge. You pay for the rides, but you can come in, have a look. And the beauty of the fun fair is a lot of the adults don't want to go on the rides, but the kids do, so that's why it's a good way of doing it like that. So if you've got anything you want to know about, hook up with me and Shane, and we will look forward to hearing from them, won't we?
Absolutely. Yeah, get on down.